Hey there, Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor. This is a fantastic home for sale. I gotta show you the views first. Check out these views. Out your front door, it's like you're living in the country, but you're not. This is a newer home, 1,668 square feet. I wanna give you a nice little tour of exactly what's going on. So come on, let's go inside. You can see here as you come inside the house, really nice flooring here. Nice entryway. Leads us into the kitchen with these lovely quartz countertops. Stainless steel appliances, really nice cabinets, open concept dining space over there. Here's our living room. I mean, thing's got everything, and the natural lighting in here is amazing. Look at all of these windows. See all these windows as you look around? Just incredible here. The floor plan is also really nice because you've got a split here between the master, and then you've got a split between the other living spaces. So let's go take a look. First, let's go take a look at the other living spaces here. So we come down the hall, you got your bedroom wing over here. Nice bathroom. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. There's a shower, tub over shower. Comes in here, good sized bedrooms with a closet. And then of course, everybody wants to take a peek in the garage, especially all you guys out there, you wanna know. So, whoosh, there's a peek into the garage. Can you see it? Nope, because the light's off. There you go. Nice peek into the garage, nice little cutout there in the back. Of course, you got a tankless water heater, which is fantastic. Great on utilities and all that good stuff. And you can take hot showers for hours and you never run out of hot water. Like, who doesn't like that? Look at this laundry room here. Beautiful laundry room, great cabinets, storage in there as well. And then here is your third bedroom right here. So now as we go back down the hallway, you can see here we come back through the kitchen, into the living room, past the dining room, backyard. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Coming to the master bedroom, nice roomy master bedroom. Beautiful and lovely. Dual sinks, bam, bam. Walk-in shower, very nice. Coming here into the walk-in closet. A generous size walk-in closet nonetheless. And then of course, everybody wants to see the toilet in the master bathroom. There it is. Oh, by the way, check out the tile floors. Very nice, great styling to all that. And then real quick, let's just take a look at the backyard. So we come through here. Good size yard, super low maintenance. Nice little patio area here. You can see as you come down here. Yeah, nice little dog run. Backyard area here. Pretty flower garden. You keep it that way, you can put something else in if you wanted. And then of course, your other side over here, you got your paving all the way down. Fantastic home here in Manteca. If you have any other questions about this home or you want to take a personal tour of it, just respond to this email if this is an email, or DM me if you're seeing this on my social media pages, or shoot me a text message, 209-923-1550. We'll get you all set up. Again, Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor, coming to you on this live open house tour.